Hey there, this is Derrick Henry, and in this video we're going to cover an Excel macro called Misc Picker. And what this does is it brings together several commands that are spread across Excel throughout different menus into one place where you can run them super quickly. So let's dive in and we'll take a look in this Excel file. One of the most common that I use all the time, and I'm running this with a keyboard shortcut. You could also use the ribbon or the search box. The most common one I use is F up here for freeze panes, and that can be applied to the active sheet or all selected sheets if you add an A to it. Now notice that's my default, so it's already highlighted, so we can just type over it if we need to. And you can do that by just clicking the button right here to set your default. Okay, so we're going to run that. Notice that it adds freeze panes very quickly. Now some of the other options that are on here, we can hide or show our different columns and rows. We can group or ungroup them. We can toggle formula calculations on or off. We can toggle the clipboard pane, grid lines, headings, and the formula bar to clean things up if we want to. And then one of my other favorites is selecting just the visible cells within your selection. So if you got a bunch of rows that are filtered out or you've hidden things, make sure that you're only selecting ones that are visible that you want to maybe format differently or something. Great option there. And then you can also auto fit all the column heights, the column widths and the row heights if you want to as well through this. The one other one I'm going to run real quick here is option C, because that toggles the clipboard. A lot of people don't realize that's still an option that you can do, and it just makes it easier to find what you've copied and pasted recently within Excel, and it also exposes the clipboard that you're using in other applications, not just Excel. So if you find this helpful to bring together a lot of different commands that are often tough to find, this is a great option for you. To give this a try, hit up the QR code down there at the bottom or go to XLEV8.co. You can try this out along with hundreds of other tools in Excel that help you save a lot of time for 30 days for free. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day.